this is the doghouse. It sits over top of the motor for this Bayliner. And the cup holders are missing. So what I've done is I've bought an anchor for some plumbing tube. I've knocked this piece off, so I just have this. And I have a cap. So drop this through, tap this on from the bottom, and you end up with a cup holder, just like that. Now I'll probably drill a hole in that so it can drain the water out, but it's a pretty quick solution for broken cup holders. This is the front of this Bayliner, and this is the old cup holder that they put tape on because it's missing the lip so it wouldn't fall through. You'll have to forgive all the ashes on my boat. We've got some pretty wicked forest fires going on around us. Anyway, how to fix this is, if you can't get the cup holder, which, you know, I'm in a place where these things aren't super easy to get, just get some plumbing tubing like this, and I'll have to file it out a bit. It just almost fits in, so I'll just file that hole a little bit bigger. And then for the bottom of this, I just cut out a little piece of wood that I traced, and once that's in place, once I have that in there, I'll put the wood in from the bottom, and I'll put a couple of screws in so it can't fall through. And that is a pretty solid fix because these things are brittle. So I think that's good enough to do the job. So there we go. Just done with some plumbing material. Piece of cake.